Hey there, ready to bring your ideas to life with AI. Today, we are diving into Kling AI, a powerful tool that turns your text and images into stunning videos in just a few clicks. Recently, Kling AI got an update v1.6 and released game-changing feature called Elements. Whether you are here to explore or create, I will walk you through everything you need to know. I hope that by the end of this tutorial, you will have a much clearer idea of whether you really need the paid version of Kling AI or if the free plan is already enough to cover your creative needs. Let's jump in and start creating something amazing. Alright, let's head over to the Kling AI website. Once we are there, I click the Create button at the top right corner. Now you might notice something new. Kling has recently had a bit of a makeover. The homepage now shows off a gallery filled with incredible creations made using Kling AI, neatly divided into two sections, images and videos. When you click on any of these artworks, a detailed window pops up. This is where the magic happens. You can see the image or video in a much larger view. You can actually check out the exact prompt that was used to generate it. And if you hit the Recreate button, Kling will automatically pull in that prompt and all its settings into a brand new project. So you can tweak it, remix it and create something totally fresh based on that original idea. To get started with Kling AI, I first click on the Sign In button. You will find it in the bottom left corner of the website. Once that's open, you have got a few super easy options to create an account. You can sign up using Google, Apple or just your email. After logging in, I am taken straight to my dashboard in the Kling AI video generator. Now, if you look again at the bottom left corner, there's a link to your profile page. Give that a click and then head into Profile Settings. Here, you will find all your basic account controls, like changing your password, deleting your account if needed, or simply signing out. Just below the profile link, you will also see how many tokens are in your account. These are like credits you use to generate content. If you click on subscribe, you can check out all the available plans and how many tokens each one offers. Now here's the good news. When you create an account, Kling gives you 166 free tokens right off the bat. These tokens automatically recharge every month, so you can keep experimenting with images, videos, and even sound without spending a dime. Just keep in mind, these free tokens are part of Kling's current offer for new users, but it might change in the future. The amount could go up or down depending on their updates. So if you are curious, now's a great time to try it out. Now let's dive into one of the most exciting features, text to video. To get there, I simply click on the video option from the menu on the left side. This takes us to a new page where you can see all the videos I have already created using Kling AI. One important thing to check before starting. At the top left corner, there's a drop-down for selecting the video model. Make sure the latest version is selected. Right now, that's version 1.6. This ensures you are getting access to the best quality and newest features. Just below that, you will see a panel with two tabs: Text to Video and Image to Video. Alright, now I have activated the Text to Video tab. This is where the real creativity kicks in. In this section, we get a prompt box where you can type out your ideas. Basically, just describe the scene you want, and Kling AI will work its magic to turn that into a video. I have already got an idea ready, so I will just go ahead and paste it into the box. Right below that, you will see a panel called Negative Prompt. This is super useful if there are things you don't want showing up in your video. For example, if you don't want characters with tattoos, you can simply type tattoo here. Kling AI will do its best to leave that out during generation. Now, let's take a look at the mode drop-down. If you are using the free plan, you will have access to standard mode, which gives you faster generation times. But if you are aiming for higher quality visuals, there's professional mode. That one's only available with the premium plan, so you will need to upgrade if you want to use it. Next is the length drop-down. Here you can choose how long you want your video to be. You can go with 5 seconds, which is available in the free plan, or up to 10 seconds, but keep in mind that the 10-second option is also part of the premium plan. We have the aspect ratio section. You can pick from 16:9 for widescreen, 9:16 if you are making vertical content for reels or shorts, or 1:1 for square format. Now let's take a look at the generating count section. This lets you choose how many videos you want Kling to create in one go. Just a heads up though, if you want to generate more than one video at a time, you will need to be on a premium plan. On the free plan, it's one video per generation. Next up is a really interesting tool, the creativity versus relevance slider. On the left, you have got creativity, which gives the AI more freedom to experiment. On the right, it leans more towards relevance, sticking closely to the prompt you gave. For this one, I am going to nudge the slider toward relevance, just to keep the output closer to my original idea. Once everything's set up, I go ahead and click the Generate button. At the time of recording this, each generation uses up 20 tokens from your balance. After submitting, my request enters the queue, and in just a short wait, the video is ready. Let's play it, and wow! As you can see, Kling AI took my text and transformed it into a video that looks incredibly realistic and visually stunning. Honestly, it's amazing. The video looks realistic, smooth, and just overall extraordinary. Seriously impressive for AI-generated content. Now, if you look at the below right corner of the video frame, you will see a download button. Super handy if you want to save your creation. But here's something important to note. With a free account, all your videos will include a watermark. If you want watermark-free downloads, you will need to upgrade to the premium plan. Also, when I hover over the little 3-dot icon next to the video, a delete option pops up, in case you want to remove any of your previous generations. Alright, now let's move on to the next step. This one's a bit magical. We are going to take a still image and bring it to life with Kling's Image to Video feature. To get started, I click on the Image to Video tab and make sure the Frames option is selected. This panel lets you upload JPG or PNG images up to 10 megabytes in size and with a minimum resolution of 300 pixels. I click right in the center of the box, and from the window that opens, I choose the image I want to animate. Once it's uploaded, you will see a little thumbnail preview pop up inside the Frames panel. Now comes the fun part. In the prompt section, we can type in what we want the image to transform into or how it should be animated. It's just like the text-to-video part, and since we have already gone over all those settings earlier, I am leaving everything on default this time. I hit Generate, and again, Kling deducts 20 tokens from my balance. After a short wait in the queue, my still image is now a motion video full of life and energy. Now let's hit play and just look at that. The image has been turned into a gorgeous animation, seriously giving off Pixar or Disney vibes. It's absolutely stunning to see how Kling AI brings still images to life. And hey, if the result isn't quite what you imagined the first time, don't worry. Just try again. Test out different prompts or tweak a few settings. With a little experimentation, you will almost always land on a version that blows you away. Hold on. If you thought text to video and image to video were impressive, then get ready, because Kling AI has just leveled up. Let me introduce you to a true game changer, the brand new Elements feature in Kling AI version 1.6. This is where things get next level. Back in the Image to Video tab, I switch over to the Elements option and clear out the image we used in the last example. Here's how it works. You can upload between 1 to 4 completely custom images, JPG or PNG format, and in the prompt box, describe exactly what's happening in each image. Think of it like setting the scene. What's each character doing? How are they interacting? What's the vibe? Then, based on your input, Kling will analyze, combine, and process everything to generate a visually stunning, intelligent video. One that brings your static images to life in a way that feels smart, cinematic, and seriously magical. Alright, let's put the Elements feature to the test. I start by clicking on the first image slot and choose to upload an image from my computer. For this example, I am going with a cool robot image. Once it's uploaded, you will see the thumbnail pop up in the first slot. Next, I move on to the second slot, and this time I upload an image of none other than Spider-Man. After a quick upload, his thumbnail appears right alongside the robot. Now I click on the third slot and upload a picture of a street. This is the scene where everything's going to unfold. Once uploaded, the street image shows up in the third slot, and we are ready to roll. Just below that is the prompt box. This is where I describe exactly what I want to happen in the video. I have already got my idea prepared, so I simply paste it in. The concept? Spider-Man and the robot walking side by side down a city street. Simple but powerful. Underneath, you will find the settings panel. Since I have already walked you through all these settings earlier in the tutorial, I will leave everything on default for this one and click Generate. Just like before, 20 tokens are deducted from the balance, and my request jumps into the queue. After a short wait, the video is ready, and let me tell you, the result is astonishing. Seeing two completely different characters come to life and interact in a custom scene is just incredible. And there you have it. In this tutorial, we created a Hollywood-style animation using Kling AI's powerful Elements feature. Honestly, the possibilities here are limitless. With this tool in your hands, the only boundary is your imagination. So, was this tutorial helpful? If it was, go ahead and smash that like button, and don't forget to share it with your friends who might love diving into the world of AI creativity. This video is just a single drop in the vast ocean of tutorials you will find on this channel. If you are passionate about AI and the incredible things it can do, you are in the right place. Make sure to subscribe and tap that notification bell so you never miss any of the powerful tools, tips, and techniques I have got coming your way. Remember, AI is the future, so don't just watch it happen, be a part of it. And trust me, in the next tutorial, we are about to take things to a whole new level. You don't want to miss it. See you in the next one.